to enable subtitles on YouTube in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to open any of the video which have the subtitles. So it only works with the video which have subtitles, and if the creator doesn't provide the video with the subtitles, you can't enable this. But you can do this with uh, s- uh, subtitles enabled video. So available video. So firstly you have to tap on any of the video that you want, and after that what you can do is when you click on this your screen, then you can see the CC option in the uh, top right corner. You can see the three dots, and in the right side, in the left side of the three dots, you can see the CC option. When you click on this, then it is the subtitles is turned off, you can see in the bottom. And when you again click on the screen, and when you again click on the CC button, you can see in the left side of the three dots, then your subtitles is enabled. So you can see this the subtitles is showing. So that's it, that how you can do this enable subtitles on YouTube. You can also change the languages by clicking on the three dots and then clicking on the captions, and you can choose the English default or English auto generated. In this video case, there is only English language, but if you are watching the video like of Mr. Beast, they have numerous options from which you can choose that. So that's basically that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.